Hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to my new Galaxy Buds Pro. The video is long overdue and this is made in Vietnam because I don't buy Chinese products and for the longest time. And this is super expensive. It's almost around 16 grand. I bought it from Samsung shop and look how sleek it is. I love the packaging and this case is like a jewelry box and I love the lavender color. It's so me. And in the case comes the wiring. Do you see that green dot? It means the buds are charging. The moment you put in the magnet, the buds stick to the case. You see those little two magnetic things? Those are the charging points in the case. So it's so nicely designed, so sophisticated, sleek, and trust me, whenever I put them inside my ears, I feel like I'm wearing solitaires. So these are the this is the charger that comes along. It's similar to the charger of the cell phone. So I'm not using this charger. I have kept it safely and I'm still using the charger to charge my phone. You see those are the spare ear covers, the bud covers, and this charger I've kept it as a spare. I suggest you do the same because all Samsung products are quite expensive. Now that little dot shows the case is charging. This is the charging point for the case, and when you open it shows the green dot, it means fully charged, and when you see the red dot it means the buds are still charging. And the same light when you see on the side dot is going to be, this is the buds are charging. One thing is the buds don't have enough battery backup in my experience, although the uh, company says otherwise. So this is the interface through the cell phone, and it gives you the real time charging of the case and of the Buds Pro. I think the interface is really sleek and the AI is incredible. This is how the phone sets up automatically. You don't have to do anything. In fact, all of Samsung's high-end products sync automatically, like the Samsung smartwatch, the phone, and the buds. And now I think I'm like a complete Samsung girl, and I'm very happy with all my buys. I bought the Samsung stylus that works well. I have spare pens, and you can see here it is taking you through the taps. Double tap means answer the call or next track. The most amazing thing about these buds are automatic noise cancellation. So supposing I'm listening to music and someone is speaking to me, or I am speaking to someone, the volume of the music is going to lower on its own automatically. And the moment I stop talking or someone else stops talking, the song is going to play back. And if there is a call, the Bluetooth is going to connect automatically. If you put the buds back in the case, they are going to rest, and so it will reset. Once you take it out, it will sense that they are out and it will connect with the phone automatically. The earbuds are also compatible with any other Android phone. You just have to download the app from the Play Store, and that's about it, I guess. And I really love taking them on the ride, and just so you get a little feel of it, I tried recording a song, and then I realized that you would only be able to hear it through your audio output, not the Samsung Buds Pro. So this is the best that is available in market right now, and I love it. And as you can see, you have so many things to play around with in Samsung, like smart things. It connects, so basically Samsung is having its own cloud, like television, washing machine, phone, Samsung, everything is interconnected. So here's the song. and I tried putting out for you, but then it's not going to play because I muted it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it's not too amateur.